Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A new RC Rally kit made by RC Rally drivers for RC Rally drivers, it's ready. This is the HNR 9804 RC Rally chassis, which is, let's say, quite new. It appeared on the market more or less 1 year ago, and in my opinion, at the moment, this is the best RC Rally chassis if we focus on the price and the quality it provides. Long story short, if you follow my YouTube channel, more or less a month ago, I made a review together with my friend Kuba, which is the creator of this RC Rally kit. The main issue of this chassis is the extremely poor steering angle out of the box. It means that it's unable to make tight turns, and because of that it's, let's say, almost impossible to race in RC Rally category. I'm not mean to bash to do maybe rallycross and so on, but the poor steering angle, it's a big limitation. My Kuba, which has decided to use the chassis for the upcoming 2026 RC Rally season, has decided at the beginning to develop a kit for himself, and then seeing the result he has obtained, he decided to make this kit available for everyone. So this kit, it's already available. In the description of this video, I'm going to leave the link at the first video that we made together, where you can see how the chassis perform with this kit, and the link in order to get in touch with Kuba if you want to buy this kit. Then, if you want to see how this kit looks here on my YouTube channel, my next video is going to be, let's say, a review tutorial about how to mount this kit on this chassis. With this kit, you will increase a lot the steering angle of this chassis, making it almost, let's say, perfect for RC Rally stages. So guys, leave a like, subscribe. If you don't want to miss the next video, hit the bell button, and let me know in the comment section if you already have this kit, what you think, and see you soon for the review. Ciao!